A motorized sailboat leaves Naples, Florida, bound for Key West, 150 miles away, maintaining a constant speed of 15 miles per hour. After 4 hours, we will multiply 4 hours by 15 miles per hour, and the distance is 60 miles. How far is the sailboat from Key West at the time? The sailboat is of course by 20 degrees. So we will use the law of cosine to find x, the distance from the sailboat to Key West. And the sides are 60. The side of the triangles are 60 and 150. The angle in between is 20 degrees. So x squared is equal to 60 squared plus 150 squared minus 2 times 60 times 150 cosine 20 degrees. We are applying the law of cosines. Using the calculator, x squared is approximately 9,185.5, and x is the square root of 9,185.5, which is approximately 95.81 miles. Through what angle should the sailboat turn to correct its course? To find that angle, first we're going to look for angle A opposite to 150, and we know that cosine A is equal to 60 squared plus what we just calculated, 95.81 squared, the distance from Key West, minus 150 squared divided by 2 times 60 times 95.81. We get this from solving for cosine A in the law of cosines formula. Cosine A is equal to b squared plus c squared minus a squared divided by 2bc. Now, cosine A is approximately, using the calculator, negative 0.845, and A is equal to the inverse cosine of negative 0.845, which is approximately, using again the calculator, 147.72 degrees. Now from the diagram, you notice that theta, the angle of correction, form with angle A a straight line, so they form a linear pair. Therefore, to find that angle of correction theta, we're going to subtract angle A, 147.72, from 180. So theta, the angle of correction, is approximately 32.28 degrees. Now, the time added to the trip because of this will be equal to, let's draw it. First, the boat went 60 miles off course. Then after correction, the boat went 95.81 miles. So the trajectory of the boat is 60, the distance covered by the boat, 60 plus 95.81, which is 155.81 miles. And that distance is, when we subtract it from the straight line, 150. So 155.81 miles is approximately 5.81 miles more. Since the boat speed is constant, 15 miles per hour, the extra miles, 5.81, will be multiplied by it's 60 minutes for an hour, so it's 60 divided by 15 miles to find the extra time. And the extra time is approximately 23 minutes.